Hi, lovely people. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to raise funds for your fashion business. So, you might be a fashion designer or a luxury brand, and you might be looking to raise funds from investors. Now, you might be a new company, or you might already be operational and you may already have clients, you may be generating the revenues. The important thing is that you might require funds to either to grow your business or to scale your business. So let me walk you through the steps that are involved when you are trying to raise funds from investors. So the first step, it begins with researching your requirements and researching your prospective investors. The reason is that there may be many different reasons why you are trying to raise funds, even if it is for growth or for scaling your business. So it's important to identify what are the different areas of your business for which you require the funds. So now that you have done the research, then you have to identify who are the right investors for your specific requirements. So you see, there are lots of investors in this world, but then, oh, come on, I mean, not all investors would be interested to fund any business, one particular business. So it's important to identify who are your target investors, and it also helps if you can do a bit of research on their background and what kind of companies they have invested in the past. Ideally, if these investors have funded companies very similar to your fashion business or fashion startup, then yes, you can curate them. You can create a list of those investors. So that's the step one. Step two is preparation. So you'll have to do some pre-prep work, which involves creating certain documentations and also, fine-tuning your presentation skills. So let's look at what documents you'll require when you are trying to raise funds from investors. The first and most important document that you'll require is the business model. Now, what's a business model? Business model identifies who are your target customers, what value proposition you are adding to these target customers, and how are you going to generate revenues for your business. That's your business model. Now, based on this business model, you should be developing a business plan. A business plan is a 40-page document. Ideally, it could be less than that, but the standard size is 40 pages. So you have to create a 40-page detailed plan explaining, in detail about not just your business plan, but also your 5-year, 10-year plan for your fashion brand or business. And once you have prepared this, it's important to clearly identify, your financial projections for the next 3 to 5 years, because investors, they come across so many companies and who are looking for funds. It becomes easier for them if they get an idea about your financial projections, what's the value or the return of investment for them if they are investing in your business. So that's the business plan. Once you have prepared the business plan, then it's time to prepare your pitch deck. Now, the pitch deck ideally should be 11 to 12 slides, and keep it very short. And it should, give a quick overview of your business model and the financial requirements. You should explicitly mention how much funds you are looking to raise from investors in one of the slides. So that's the pitch deck. And finally, your presentation skills. So it's very important that you hone your presentation skills, because from my experience, what I have seen is that there are really good, talented founders who have developed really great products and services, but then they fail at presenting in front of the investors. Presentation not just means, your the looks, the dressing, or the verbal communication. It also includes how you respond to the investor when they are asking for any questions related to your business. So it's very important that you hone these skills. So that's the presentation skills. So once you have done all these pre-prep activities, then you are ready to contact the investors. That's step 3. So in step 3, what you are going to do, you are going to contact the investors from the list that you prepared in step 1. You are going to either email them, or if you know somebody who is working in that company, or if you know a friend or a contact who knows that investor personally, it always helps to ask for reference. And once you get an introduction from them, you got to email them all these documents that you have prepared. Most importantly, your pitch deck is what you will have to send. Once you send the pitch deck, they will review the pitch deck. I'm sure they will be having a ton of questions about your business, and so you should be prepared to answer all those questions. Primarily, it will revolve around your business plan, your revenue model, and if you have generated any traction so far, customer traction. So that's the step 3. And depending on individual investor, they might, the next step would be they might request for your business plan. They might actually invite you for an interview at their office. In any case, you should be prepared and you should meet them. Now, apart from emailing them or contacting them through LinkedIn or through some online platform, there are other ways in which you can contact prospective investors. Now, what are those? Investors themselves sometimes they host events, like demo days, and there are plenty of demo days which are hosted by startup accelerators and also fashion councils. So it's always better to apply through those councils or through accelerator programs, get selected, and then you get a chance to pitch to the investors. So at this point, it's important that you have that pitch deck available and you have honed your presentation skills really properly. And apart from contacting them through these events and through demo days, it's also helpful if you can attend networking events. So there are plenty of networking events which are organized by fashion designers, by fashion brands and corporates. It always helps to attend those events, even if it is a paid event. Go and attend, and you get to meet a lot of leaders in the industry and big investors, and so it helps if you can speak to them, talk to them a bit about your company, about your requirements, and then just follow up with them with an email along with your pitch deck or the business plan. So these are the steps involved, 3 important steps, and then a 4th additional step where you attend events, you attend demo days, or contact people in person. So that's about it, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Please come back and watch my future videos as well. Have a great day, guys. See you. Bye.